Hello, my name is Dewa, and today our team are going to do a presentation about our capstone project called SkinTone Harmony. For today's presentation, we are joined by Chamzal from Machine Learning, Andiko from Machine Learning, Haiky and Ratna from Cloud Computing, and Ihsan and Diponegoro from Mobile Development. First is introduction. So, what is SkinTone Harmony? SkinTone Harmony is an app that matches cosmetic and the user's skin tone. The app also recommends a cosmetic brand for the user. Next is background project. Background is the reason and why we are making this project. And the first reason is makeup is generally important, especially for women, to increase their self-confidence. The second reason is users are still confused about how to choose what suits their skin. And the next reason are the user didn't know the details of what skin tone they have and don't know which makeup suits them. For the next slide will be presented by Chamzal.
Okay, for the reason of this project is first, many people are still confused about the color of their foundation, and two, the skin color they have and the many makeup brand make people confused about which one is suitable for it. So for existing result, we found the app like similar our project is Foundation Match app. Foundation Match app is an application that is just as same as a face foundation detector, but it works like a filter. In our application has the advantage of being able to display the user's skin color, foundation color recommendation along with the brand. So for the implementation description. So for the detail, next for first machine learning Andiko.
Alright, now we're going to delve deeper with what us ML team have been doing for the past few weeks, with our objectives are as follows. Okay, without further ado, let's cut to the chase. The resources used by ML team are as follows. TensorFlow and NumPy for our main libraries, mainly for training, but we will also accompany it with other libraries such as Matplotlib to visualize our findings. We use MSCE datasets, which its variants in SkinTone do very well with our projects, and then Google Colab as our ID. Our process could be divided into three sub-processes, which is data exploratory and preprocessing, including dividing our datasets, creating image generator, and so many more. Then we develop the model using trial and error with various techniques as follows. Lastly, we selected our models based on evaluating its accuracy and size, for later to be deployed via TF-Line. Below are the results of our model. We pick model fine-tuned from pre-trained MobileNet 3 model for its higher accuracy, roughly 85% and smaller size. This model produces 10 skin color prediction and later divided into 6 skin color types based on website thesoftcolors.com. And with these 6 skin color types, we later pick which foundation or which cosmetic is suitable for you.
Next, for the mobile development team, our job is to create an application integrated with machine learning models created by ML team and displaying output from the cloud services built by the CC team based on the given input utilizing Android Jetpack. To develop our app, we use various frameworks and services and also tools such as TensorFlow Lite for deploying the ML models in the app, Retrofit for fetching the API, and Android Jetpack to optimize our development process. The tools we use is Figma to create the UI UX design and Android Studio for developing the Android app.
Well, next from the Android developer team, we decided to use Android Jetpack to simplify app development process, and we can deploy the machine learning model is obtained from the machine learning team using TensorFlow Lite in application development, which is then carried out by integrating the API to retrieve the output from the input that has been created by the cloud computing team. As in conclusion, we use machine learning to process the data after the jury image is obtained from the user in the Android application, and we send the output from the model to cloud computing, where it is returned as the form of a data list of SkinTone information, brand recommendation, and description. Okay, next. Here is a display of our entire SkinTone harmony application flow that we have developed. As you can see that our flow is consists of a home, then continuing to uploading image which can be obtained from the gallery or camera. Then from the image that has been obtained, you can process to analysis, and the results of which change the tones of skin the user, which is if we click show results, then the SkinTone harmony application will show several recommendations for the user, as the data include of a color example, description, and brand comparison. Next.
Okay, let's move to the cloud computing section. Hello everyone, my name is Ratna and I'm here with my friend Ega. So what we do as the cloud computing part, we are creating API and endpoint to fetch resources data from cloud Firestore database, deploying backend services and also managing database. Next slide. Okay, as shown in the image, we have utilized a variety of cloud computing resources to achieve our project goals. Here's an overview of the main components. First, the framework and service to build our API. We use Node.js, Happy.js as the framework, and the service we use Google Cloud Run. Second, for the database, we use Google Storage Bucket and also Cloud Firestore. Then for the platform, of course, we use Google Cloud Platform and Postman for testing our API. So here's the detailed explanation of the resource I've mentioned before. First, Google Cloud Platform is a suite of services enabling developers to build, deploy, and scale applications on Google's infrastructure. Second, Cloud Run runs backend services providing APIs and endpoints. It auto-scales based on traffic and ensuring efficiency. Third, Google Storage Bucket is stores static content like image for quick access. Then Cloud Firestore is a NoSQL database storing brand recommendation data based on skin tone analysis, allowing fast and efficient data handling. So the next, Node.js and Happy.js used for backend endpoints. Node.js offers performance and scalability, while Happy.js simplifies API creation with built-in validation and authentication. So last but not least is Postman is a platform for API development and testing, ensuring all endpoint function correctly.
Okay, now is diagram architecture for the apps. This diagram illustrates the architecture of the SkinTone Capstone project, which involves collaboration between cloud computing, machine learning, and also mobile development teams. The project aims to create a mobile app that scans user skin tones and provides brand recommendation based on the analysis. The machine learning model deployed directly on the mobile device using TensorFlow Lite to analyze the user's skin tone. The mobile front end then interacts with backend service running on Google Cloud Platform or GCP using Cloud Run service. And then the backend implemented with Node.js and Happy.js to manage API endpoints and handles data requests. Brand recommendation data is also stored in Firestore, while static content is hosted in cloud storage. Continuous integration and continuous development, or CI/CD, is facilitated through Cloud Build, which integrates with GitHub for automated deployments triggered by code commits. So lastly, this setup ensures seamless integration and efficient operation, leveraging GCP service to support the mobile app's functionality. Okay, that's all. Next slide.
So for timeline is there is 6 months, consists at media social, distributor store, qualification Krisdiawan, add new feature, add more log database, integration and maintenance. So there is the budgeting or expense, there is three big things, server, salary, operational, and the total is 3,780,000 rupiah per month. For resource, we promote through social media and distributor store. And second is we in the future require a larger database server. And three is to add revenue there maybe can do consultation with makeup artists. And four for the future project is managed by 7%. That is all. Thank you.